Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm trying to learn C++ complete from ChatGPT. So far, I've been doing a lot of studying on pointers, and it's starting to get really tedious, and I don't really understand why I'm using pointers. Like, I understand that they're unique to C++, but I still don't understand why I would ever use them. For example, some examples that I have to, reference two objects to each other with a weak reference, but I still really don't understand why I would ever do that. So I'm gonna ask it why I would ever use pointers to get a better understanding of why we use them, which would also help me better understand how to use them. Okay, it gave me quite a bit of reasons. So the first one is a little less useful. It's simply dynamic memory allocation. I mean, it really doesn't give me the good reason why I would ever want to do this. It's just an array of 10 integers. Maybe I understand why you want to delete the array if it got a little heavier, but okay. Also, this is actually one that makes more sense to me, is a data structure. For example, this is a linked list, and if you don't know your linked list, it's basically that instead of being an array where each element corresponds to an index in an array, each item in a linked list has a pointer that goes to the next item or the previous item. So yeah, I guess that would make sense. What I don't understand is why it's using struct instead of class. I think struct is something to do with C. So I'm curious, when looking into it, you can create data and you can use node as a data type for a pointer. That's interesting. That you can use a pointer to a custom class. And then you can later just simply append to each one that has a next pointer. But don't they have previous pointers? I'm kind of dumb. Oh, that's in a double linked list. Okay, that's good to know. So yeah, apparently only double linked lists have a previous pointer. Oh, I think I can just access the data with this arrow. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, you also have the same way you can simply pass by reference. I remember being able to do this simply using the end syntax, like end pointer or something like that. So I don't really understand why you do it like that, but I guess that also works. Also, you get pointer arithmetic. I don't understand why you'd ever use pointer arithmetic. To me, the syntax just seems harder to use. You can also do pointer functions, which are dynamic selection and invocation of functions, enabling flexibility in function execution. I personally don't understand why I would ever want to do that. If I were to ever do something like JavaScript, that would be abstracted for me. I could just declare a function as a variable. But I guess if you want to do this in C++, you actually need a pointer to hold on to the value of the function. And also we have smart pointers. And yeah, I do not want to do that. And apparently you should also do this for interfacing with low-level APIs and hardware. Not sure I would ever do that because I'm not that legit of a programmer who will be writing that low level. I mean, I'm starting to get a better understanding of it. So I think I could try to make a linked list class from scratch. But I'm going to go ask about the structs. Struct makes it simple to demonstrate the basic structure. So apparently a struct members are public by default and class members are private by default. And that's the only difference, but I think there may be other differences. This would be a pretty cool assignment to try write a linked list from scratch. Maybe I'll do that. I think I'll just treat today as a short video kind of going around the reason I'm using pointers, and I'll dedicate a whole another day to writing a linked list from scratch. That's going to be pretty fun. I'm probably going to fail a lot, but wish me good luck on that. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Hope you subscribe. Like always, bye-bye.